Hey, Fernando. Appreciate you reaching out. My name's Eric. I'm trying to help you get through your problems here. So first things, based on your video, I can tell that you do have your HTML boilerplate code correct. You are properly linking your CSS, as we can tell by the formatting on your page there. Everything looks good, which leads me to believe our issue is going to lie in your JavaScript, which is a tricky one. CSS and HTML are usually pretty straightforward, where JavaScript, you're dealing with logic and lots of moving parts, but we'll get you to where you need to go. So I'd first shout out to W3 schools, Stack Overflow, MDN resources, all those you can find through Google. Those are really great places where they have a lot of good documentation. W3 schools and MDN especially, everything is laid out with a lot of detail there. And then Stack Overflow is a great resource to find other coders that are having similar issues, because everyone runs into issues at some point, and no idea is original. So like if you're struggling with something, someone probably has in the past, and you can usually find it on Stack Overflow. But with that said, for your case, Fernando, I would start at W3 schools and look into if-else statements, because that's the main functionality in your JavaScript here. So the way that I would kind of pseudocode or think about if-else statements is if, and then in your parentheses, you have what you're looking for. So in your case, if the mode equals dark, then you want something to happen in your curly brackets. So look at that and make sure that that's doing what you want it to do in the curly brackets. And then your else statement will be after your if statement. So if mode doesn't equal dark, this is what you want to have happen. So I would just look there, see if when you pseudocode on paper, see if what you want to have happen is happening in your actual code. And if not, just restructure it to make it do what you want it to do. But I know this is difficult at times, but I hope the resources that I gave you and a few of the steps I gave you would kind of help you through this problem. And we're always here if you have any other issues, and you're not in class, you don't have access to your classmates or instructor, like feel free to reach out to any of the learning assistants. There's always going to be someone here to help you. So I hope that helped. Thanks, Fernando. Take care.